Cut that one, block that one.
Sounds good.
Cut that one. See? You give me the longer blade advantage, and it becomes mayhem for him.
I'll do the Rados because this isn't giving you a problem.
Now you see why I talk about always carrying big knives, long knives. They're a huge advantage in a knife fight. I mean, the 7/2" Espada against the Taipan, you could see I was cutting him 6-1, and I wasn't even trying very hard. I'm not even fighting, I'm just doing.
That is going to be horrible for me. Hey, that was a hard cut.
No, it was fast.
Yeah, fast equals hard. You got 11 inches there. Good. I don't know about that one. That was really ugly.
What?
Because I stabbed, but you dragged it all up.
It was sticking in you when you went forward. The whole point was cutting your harness. So you're not pushing your arm through my point. That's what you did though.
I don't know.
But it really, no, it's like this. It was underneath like this. Here, you push forward. Yeah, nah, you're not doing that. Not with a real blade. Cut that one, block that one.
Sounds good.
Cut that one. See? You give me the longer blade advantage, and it becomes mayhem for him.
It does.
There, there. That was a double block on my part.
Good.
And I cut that hand and blocked this one.
Because you got huge knives I can't get through. I can't get through these knives now.
Oh, there you go.